Right now, people all over the world are buying Canva templates. They are paying real money for designs someone else created weeks or months ago. Social media templates, presentation templates, resume templates, business card templates, all selling around the clock on Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market. And the people who made those templates, they are not working right now. They are sleeping or traveling. Their bank accounts are receiving payments automatically. That is what passive income looks like when it is working. In 2026, AI has made building this business faster than ever. Research that took hours now takes minutes. Product listings that took days now take seconds. Marketing content that required a team now gets done by one person with Claude in a single morning. Today I am showing you the complete step-by-step system for building a Canva template passive income business using AI. Niche selection, template creation, listing writing, marketing, all of it. Let us get started. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI income strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why Canva templates are a perfect passive income product. Canva has over 170 million users in 2026. Small business owners, social media managers, educators, coaches, freelancers, real estate agents. Every single one of them needs templates to save time on design. When you sell a physical product, you pay for materials and shipping every single time. When you sell a service, you give your time to every client. But when you sell a Canva template, you create it once and sell it unlimited times with zero extra cost per sale. The template you build on Tuesday can sell 10 copies Wednesday, 50 copies by end of month, 500 copies over the next year. Each sale costs you nothing. That is the power of digital products. Canva templates are especially strong because the creation tools are completely free. No design degree needed, no expensive software, just Canva's drag-and-drop interface and a willingness to learn. Choosing your niche. Using AI research. The most important decision in this business is choosing the right niche. Get this right, and everything becomes easier. Get it wrong, and no amount of hard work will save you. Most beginners make one of two mistakes. They pick a completely saturated category like generic social media posts where standing out is nearly impossible. Or they pick something so obscure that barely anyone is searching for it. The right niche has proven buyer demand but is specific enough that a new seller can stand out without competing against shops with thousands of reviews. Open Claude and ask for 15 niche ideas for a Canva template shop in 2026. Ask it which professional groups use Canva most actively and which have specific design needs that generic templates do not serve well. Claude gives you a strong research foundation in under a minute. Then go to Etsy and validate each niche. Search for Canva templates in your category. Check how many listings exist. Under 800 results means healthy room for new entrants. Check how many sales the top listings show. Thousands of sales confirms strong buyer demand. Read the reviews carefully. Buyers tell you exactly what they want that current products are not delivering. Bring your Etsy findings back to Claude. Ask it to recommend the best niche based on demand, identified gaps, and growth potential. Then commit to that one niche completely. The strongest niches in 2026 include real estate agent marketing templates, life coach social media templates, restaurant marketing content, online course creator resources, wedding planning templates, fitness professional templates, and e-commerce branding packages. Designing your first templates. Canva template creation is accessible to beginners, but requires real practice. You need to develop an eye for what makes a template genuinely useful rather than just visually attractive. Start by studying what already sells in your niche. Go to Etsy and look at the top-selling templates carefully. Notice the color palettes. Notice the typography choices. Notice how content is organized. You are not copying these designs. You are learning the principles that make them work. After studying 10 to 15 successful templates, open Canva and start practicing. Build your own versions from scratch using the principles you observed. This is the fastest way to develop real design skill. Ask Claude to write a design brief for each template before you open Canva. Give it your template type, your target buyer, and the context in which the template will be used. Ask Claude to describe the ideal colors, typography, layout, and content structure. Use that description as your blueprint. Design every template with the buyer's editing experience as your top priority. Every text element must be clearly labeled and easy to select. Every color must come from a consistent palette the buyer can change with a few clicks. Every font must be from Canva's free library. Every element must be logically grouped so buyers understand the structure immediately. Ask Claude to create a customizability checklist for each template type. Use that checklist to verify every element before you list the product. Aim for 15 to 25 templates in your first collection before launching. This gives buyers enough variety to feel genuine value and gives you enough data to learn what performs best. Writing listings that convert using Claude. Your product listings determine whether browsers become buyers. Most sellers write descriptions that focus on what the template looks like instead of what it does for the buyer. This is a costly mistake. Every word in your listing should answer one silent question the buyer is always asking. Will this template solve my specific problem and give me the result I need quickly and easily? Give Claude a detailed buyer profile. Describe their profession, their design challenge, the context they will use the template in, and what outcome they want. Then ask Claude to write a complete product description following this structure. Open with a line that immediately speaks to the buyer's frustration, not a generic opener. Something like, "Stop spending hours designing posts from scratch." This real estate just sold template makes your listing announcement look professional in under 5 minutes. Follow with a clear promise of the transformation the buyer will experience. Then list exactly what they receive. Then explain how easy the template is to customize. Then handle common objections directly. Close with a warm, confident call to purchase backed by your money-back guarantee. Ask Claude to write 10 title options for your listing optimized for Etsy search. Include the most relevant buyer keywords and make each option compelling enough to earn a click from search results. Ask Claude to generate a comprehensive tag list covering both broad intent keywords and specific long-tail phrases that indicate strong purchase intent. Pricing your templates correctly. For individual templates, price between $7 and $15 depending on complexity and niche specificity. A single post template belongs at the lower end. A coordinated set of 5 to 7 matching templates belongs at the higher end. For bundles of 15 to 25 templates, price between $27 and $67. Bundles generate the highest revenue per sale because buyers get comprehensive value in one purchase. For complete shop collections of 50 or more templates, price between $97 and $197. Position these as complete design systems for the buyer's entire business. Create a bundle upgrade option in every listing. Offer individual templates at their standalone price and bundles at a discounted combined price. This gives buyers a rational reason to spend more per transaction without requiring you to find additional customers. Marketing for consistent daily sales. Pinterest is the most powerful free marketing channel for Canva template sellers. Unlike social media where posts disappear in hours, Pinterest pins continue driving traffic for months and years after they are published. Create boards organized around your template categories. For each template you list, create 3 to 5 pins showing the template in realistic use contexts. Use Claude to write keyword-optimized descriptions for every pin. Post 5 to 10 pins every day. Within 3 to 6 months, Pinterest can become your largest source of daily organic traffic. Your YouTube channel is your most powerful long-term asset. Every video you make about AI and online income naturally promotes your template shop. Create dedicated videos showing your templates in action. A single well-ranked video can drive daily sales for years after upload. For Instagram and TikTok, post short screen recording videos showing your templates being customized in real time. The before and after transformation is compelling and highly shareable. Use Claude to write captions and hashtag sets for every post. Build an email list by offering one free template in exchange for a sign-up. Promote this in your video descriptions and social media bios. Email subscribers who have already downloaded your free template convert to paid buyers at an extremely high rate. Every Monday morning, use Claude to plan your entire week of marketing content in one session. Give it your listings and your channels. Ask it to generate a complete weekly plan with content ideas, captions, pin strategies, and your email outline. 30 to 45 minutes of planning sets up your entire week automatically. Scaling to consistent passive income. The income timeline for this business is real and predictable. In months 1 through 3, your focus is foundation building. Sales will be modest. You are building the infrastructure everything else grows from. In months 4 through 6, reviews accumulate. Etsy search visibility builds, and Pinterest traffic becomes consistent. Monthly revenue typically reaches $200 to $800. From month 7 through 12, sellers maintaining consistent catalog expansion and weekly marketing regularly reach $1,000 to $3,000 per month. The majority of sales come from existing listings generating traffic without ongoing active effort. After year 1, with a catalog of 100-plus templates and hundreds of positive reviews, monthly revenues of $3,000 to $10,000 are achievable. The compounding starts with your first listing. Which niche are you starting your Canva template shop in? Drop it in the comments right now. I personally reply to every single comment with specific template ideas for your niche. If this guide gave you a clear roadmap, please give it a thumbs up. It helps this channel reach more people ready to build passive income with AI. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. Tomorrow's video covers an AI income opportunity most people in this space have never heard of. See you tomorrow.